America Trip, Part 7. This part of our trip is something really special, not just because of the places we visited, but because of the people behind the camera. Big thanks to Val for helping us capture these moments. Sometimes the best memories are the ones someone else helps you see.
This whole place was owned and was like made solely by Noah Purifoy. He was an African
But
American.
before we hit the road, let's go back home for a moment.
Christmas is?
A holiday. It's a holiday.
It's a what?
Holiday!
It's a holiday.
Yes.
What else? What does Christmas mean for Harvey? You like Christmas?
Yes.
Because?
I like it.
Jamie, can you kiss your mommy? Kiss your mommy.
On the cheek.
You say,
I want your goodbye.
Christmas for me means family. Being with family.
Christmas is celebrating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ and celebrating with family for thanking God for all the blessings that we receive for the year and praying for more blessings in the years to come.
Christmas for me, basically Christmas is the birth, commemoration of the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. But for us, or here on this earth, this is most more or less like a family gathering of the family, where we can gather together to celebrate the Christmas, to be full of joy, full of love.
Different answers, but one thing in common: family, love, and time together. Now we're on our way to Joshua Tree. And of course, shout out to Denzel for the drive. Road trips like this, conversations, laughter, these are the moments you don't plan but remember forever. Our first stop, Noah Purifoy Outdoor Desert Art Museum.
Alright, what's up? So this whole place was owned and was like made solely by Noah Purifoy. He was an African American artist, but he died of old age 20 years ago, 2004.
Art in the middle of the desert, raw, unique, and full of stories. And somehow, the kids' favorite part, the toilet, of course.
Toilet! It's toilet! It's Gimli toilet! Ew!
Art isn't just what you see, it's what you feel, what you share, and the memories you create together. Moments like this remind us it's not about the place, it's about who you're with.
So this place was all his handmade, was all his hard work, and right now it's like it was maintained by his foundation, the Noah Purifoy Art Foundation. Pretty interesting oasis in the middle of the desert. Cold right now.
Why did you decided to choose this place?
Well, this is actually like side trip place for Coachella goers, attendees, and people that goes to Palm Spring, like maybe 20 miles from here. It's a popular place right here in the desert. So this is where they go. I saw this in Instagram and was like suggested as well by travel magazines and travel websites. So yeah, but I didn't know that we're gonna hit the dirt road going here, and it's pretty too far from San Diego, but here we are, right?
Are you going to recommend this to anyone?
Well, of course, especially for people.
Who is this for? Is this for couple or for family?
I think for everyone, especially those people with their hearts on arts and some things that are considered obscure. So If you're into obscurity and obscure things, this place is all for you, I guess. Yeah.
Is this free?
Yeah, it's free here as long as you don't break things. Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
Next stop, a quiet little town nearby. The kids were excited to explore, and honestly, so were the adults. We arrived a bit late, so time was limited, but that's okay, because every moment we made it count.
I'm in A. No, it's making an A.
Hey,
Yes.
careful. We're going,
Not making an
We're going, we're
X on
going.
the side.
We're going.
It's under the bird.
We're here in the world famous Crochet Museum. This is like one of the lesser known places in California. Lesser known and obscure places actually in the US. So we're just happy to be here. And this place was actually one of the, like what I said before, the oasis of artists and those people who are into chakra and those people who are into mystics. So it's surprising that this place is really like inviting the whole family actually, with all the toys in there, gift stuffs, colorful stuffs that would attract kids. So yeah, it's good to be here.
Do you recommend this to
Oh yeah,
family,
of course.
with kids? How old?
Say those kids right there playing there, say from maybe 4 to 6 years old, they'll be happy in here. Right now, unfortunately, it's winter. The sun goes out early, so it's pretty dark and we're late. But I think the whole place starts to close in already. Maybe next time. All right.
All good. Thank you.
All good.
And just like that, our desert adventure continues. Up next, we head to the historic Old Town in San Diego. From deserts to the coast, this journey just keeps getting better.